Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for a clean, no frills email marketing platform that still packs a punch, then you've probably come across MailerLite. In this video, I will give you a quick but detailed review from its purpose to pricing, features, and whether it is the right tool for you. So let's get in. So first things first, what is MailerLite? It's an email marketing platform designed for creators, small businesses, and marketers who want a simple yet powerful tool to build and grow their audience. So, whether you are sending newsletters, automating campaigns, or building landing pages, MailerLite offers a beginner friendly experience without skipping on advanced tools. Okay, so now let's touch on the features and capabilities of MailerLite. MailerLite comes with drag and drop email builders, automation workflows, pop-ups, embedded forms, and landing pages. What I personally like is the intuitive email editor. It is easy enough for a beginner but flexible for advanced user too. Okay, the automation feature lets you set up smart sequences based on subscriber behavior, and the segmentation is solid for targeted messaging. Plus, they offer A/B testing, dynamic content, and even e-commerce integration with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Now, when you come to the features here, you get to see, a wider features that MailerLite offer. Now, under the build website, you can see website builder, create a blog. Then under send email menu, you see email marketing, automation, newsletter editors, email notification. When you click on each of these sub menu, you get to see a very much uh, detailed features about them. Then when it comes to leads, collect leads, you see landing pages, sign up forms, iPad subscribe app, email verifier, and a whole lot of them. Okay, so now let's talk about MailerLite pricing. When it comes to pricing, MailerLite is actually quite generous. They offer a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers. As you can see here, they offer up to 1,000 subscribers for free. It costs $0. I mean, that's a huge one, right? And they offer 12,000 emails per month, which includes which includes most features. Then for paid plans, it starts at $9 per month and scale depending on your subscriber count. Compared to tools like MailChimp, we are getting serious value for money here. All right. So for the advanced, it costs $18 per month. Okay. So you can see the features that is available for the advanced. For the green business, you can see the features as well. Okay, now let's talk about the support and community. Support wise, I have found their live chat and email support responsive and helpful. They also have a pretty active knowledge base on Facebook community where users share tips, ask questions, and connect. It is not the largest out there, but it's definitely useful. So if you need the video tutorials, you can always come to resources menu. You will get to access the video tutorials from there. They have academy as well. They have free resources and tools. You can access that. They have email marketing guide. They have how to articles on available on their blog. They have live learning sessions as well, and they have knowledge base. So that is it. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of MailerLite? Number one advantage is that it has clean and easy interface. Also, it has affordable pricing. It has great automation and landing page tools. Uh, no bloat, there's no bloat, just what you need. Then for the disadvantages, advanced marketers might find some limits in automation logic, and there's limited design templates compared to some competitors. Now, the real question is, should you use MailerLite? I will answer by saying that if you are a small business, content creator, or marketer who wants a streamlined, budget-friendly email marketing tool without a steep learning curve, then absolutely yes, it is not the flashiest platform, but it is reliable, intuitive, and gets the job done without draining your wallet. So that is it on today's review. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.